In a town, somebody dropped down and they're telling us to go home now, so let's go about our business or go home. Somebody dropped down and there are somebody dead. I don't know what's happening.
Shot, something happened.
Something happened. Good morning! Good morning! Today is another day of COVID day. COVID-19. So yeah, we've been in house in quarantine for a while, but I decided, since I'm in my house, people, I decided that I want to do something with my studio. You might see some of this previously in this video, by the way. But so we're going on the road so I can get poster board, a nice looking floor print wrapping paper or floor print backdrop poster board paper, so that I can do a mural wall in the area that I'm going to turn into my studio. And today I'm going to be assist on the road my cousin. We're matching in outfits. He's wearing striping blue and I'm wearing striping blue. Oh my god, we're trending. Oh my god. Anyway, so yeah, that's what we're basically gonna go on road and do, and I'm gonna try my best to vlog as much as possible how blank the road is, because I know the road is supposed to be blank. Nobody's on the road. Empty. So I'm gonna try my best to vlog on the road and in the store that we went to, because I think I'm going to Kingston shop and he's gonna try his best to buy a headset, right? So that's what we're gonna try and do, but I doubt anything's gonna be open or anybody's gonna be on the road. But let's watch and see, so you guys get to see a little bit experience of CV here in Jamaica.
CV?
Yeah, so let's do it. I want you guys to check out my on the road fashion. This is my oversized t-shirt or dress shirt. I love wearing this. But look, it's a cool way to look cool and girly as well and look relaxed. It's always to tuck in one side of your shirt in, especially as an oversized big shirt, and keep one out. It adds some kind of fashion flair to it. Isn't this cool? One long side, one short side. And my vintage bag.
Vintage.
Shut up. I don't get any of these bags anymore, so this is cool. If you guys remember that vlog where I decorate here, I DIY that right here, the island flavor. So this is one of my favorite bags to carry whenever I'm going to town, because it's so rustic and so cute. Anyway, so I got to know. That's my cousin. We're about to go through the gate.
Come with me, Manuel.
Say bye, mommy. Alright, as you guys can tell, the road is usually always full. So the road is very, very empty. And today's a Monday, right?
Yes.
Today's a Monday, and that's a school right there. And there's no sound coming from that building. Usually sound be coming from that building. See, look how empty the road is. Oh, me want to get an orange juice, you know. However, we cannot stop the bad people, because the bad people are still on the road. But this is a school district and a business district area in central Kingston. And look how dead it is. My neighborhood is never always dead. You'll see 1 or 2 persons right there sitting by that big tree we just passed. And nobody's there.
No one there at all. And there's no noise from the school. There are lots of chairs moving and everyone's making noise. You walk past, it's like dead land.
Yes, it's like dead land. So yeah. So I'm kicking it with my CV partner right now.
Yep.
Alright. But look, this is really dead. Welcome to CV, people.
You want to tell me how you treat your brother?
In books, babe boy took a book for me, that blue book. It's a dictionary. Over here it's 100. Babe boy go a 3 bill side, but I like a dictionary.
No, it's a dream dictionary.
Alright. I want blue though, because my headache is blue and yellow. I think I'm gonna stick with this one. Alright, go now. Town is empty. In that town, somebody dropped down And they're telling us to go home now, so let's go about our business or go home. Somebody dropped down and there are somebody dead. I don't know what's happening.
Shot, something happened with us.
Something happened. People come from everywhere. We had to change our outfit. Anyway, so me and my cousin Nikolai, we're walking town because he wanted to buy a headset. You see it in this vlog. And I wanted to get some stuff for my DIY project that I'm going to do to my space down. I don't even know if I'm going to do that or I'm just going to leave this vlog like it is because I don't want to seem like somebody just died and we're celebrating. So that's kind of evil at the same time. So I don't know if I'm going to do my space. I'm at another vlog, so I might cut this vlog short. But anyway, back to the point what I'm trying to tell you. So I walk a town, right? Me and my cousin. And then people are so walk go the direction there. Look at the town empty. We're not seeing the vlog, so the town empty, the place empty. One to people on the road, okay? One to people always on the road. But if you really know town always full and cocked to the brim. Anyway, we just hear like somebody say, it just drop down. So my cousin run for go look, but me say no, I'm not going to come, no, I'll catch nothing if you map that. Some people say, I want it for corona, I want it for corona. The man dropped down and dead, some cousin boss have somebody shot him. I said, but baby, I made everything so. With that ear, because we're in the store next to where the man dropped down. If you know the store, where the church at that side there, East Queen Street side. So I said, hey boy, everybody pay me that ear for a shot and run. They wouldn't run through the shot and nobody next shot. And then people say, drop down and dead, people run back and forth. So what if a corner? So people run to the body. That means nothing, they're going to take it apart, they're going to play Jesus and bring back alive or whatnot, because if the man have something like that or whatever, me feel like if we stay far away. Anyway, after a while, I start watch my phone and my camera in the bag. You know, take me to because I'm kind of that freak. When I realize the police them drive come now and them start black off the way, I take up phone and say, I'm going to take a little video for you guys. Some video when the police are told to go away. And say, people go home, none of them are told to go home. But some people still defy the police and go up, go look. Me want to let them so foo-foo because I'm saying that I don't even know where people them come from, people. Because the road is empty. And people come from everywhere to go pick up bacteria or pick up virus. Jamaican people not easy, you know. It was so strange to me. Because it's one of them, because if they want to go where they go video.
Jesus,
if they want video too, but I'm telling him no, because we don't want to come home with nothing. But this is the first time I'm coming out of my house. And the first time I'm coming out and this happened. So people, it seemed like it really might be something serious that go on the road. Because before I reach up at them, I said, boy, ambulance up on the road, I police up on the road. Because I want to be see like 1 or 2 people and police up on the road like Wally and drive up and down. Police up on the road drive up and down. Police. But no people up on the road like one. Even the store them very empty. Because they might practice them social distancing, I guess. But I'm really shocked. I am so shocked. So yeah. Wow. So people, once again I'm with my cousin
Nikolai.
And you know, we see the town drama and all of these things. But yeah. We're still going to show you guys what we bought at town, and we bought most of the stuff from Kingston Bookshop and also we call it vintage. I say vintage. Vintage,
a V-I, not a V-E.
Anyway, a vintage street book seller, because he was selling books on the street. So we bought some books from there. Also went into an headset store on the main. I'm going to show you that too. But most of all, we went to Kingston Bookshop. Alright, as you guys know, I am trying to renovate a space in my studio for vlogging. A nice clear background for vlogging. Alright, let's start off what we bought first. Because we went to the headset place first, right?
Yeah.
This is my cousin's headset. Okay, let's talk about it. So it's wireless and it can be Bluetooth to whatever song it's going to be listening to. And it says the brand is JBL. Let me wear headset.
It's a JBL headset. It's by Harman, not Dr. Dre. And it's a GB950 headset. It's a noise reduction one too. So when you play it, it's deaf you. And you can't hear anything around you.
Cool. Alright, let's open it. This is kind of a haul. It's a CV haul, a boredom haul, a quarantine haul. And because we're under quarantine, yeah, so we just have to do these stuff for now. I like the color because I just want to pick up the color. I like that it looks like you're part of the army or part of the war. It has this brown.
Which one?
If you got war, you can like you can eye away from people. It has this brownish kind of it look great too as well. It also has this green tilt to it, so it's kind of interesting. Remind me of the army. I don't know. Oh, what I like about it, it can. Well, it's not really a move now, but on the box, it was laying down flat and it was moving in and out. because it's somewhat not doing that. Why not that?
I said black have more sense.
Oh, yeah, it is. It can be like that. So I guess you can listen to the music like this. Try and limit your music. Say so. Somehow you're all over it. For Bluetooth again. Alright, while he's doing that, let's move on to something else. So we went to the vintage bookseller near to Kingston Bookshop right there at King Street. And my cousin got this, The Adventure of Captain Underpants. If you guys remember this cartoon with what the man name? The shark man, Kevin Hart. Yeah, so Kevin Hart was in this cartoon. I like this book because it's a reading book, and I love comics, so it's one of the coolest things to have comics. I thought this was cool, and it would fit the aesthetics in the studio. When we're displaying, or we're gonna lay out stuff on the table down there. And my color I'm using mostly blue, red, and yellow for decoration on the table. It's a cool book and something that you can read because I love comics. I love anything where drawing is in because you know I'm all about the art and I love drawing. Isn't that cool? So yeah, Captain Underpants. And we paid because the guy sent us his book. The back says $3 US, but we paid $100 for this. This is cool. You hearing the music? Play. Alright, we're gonna hear the music now. Play. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. Alright. We don't want to get monetized. Alright, yeah, so it's very good. It's very loud. Alright. And I love stuff that talks about my country, Jamaica. So the tales of old Jamaica. The tales of old Jamaica. Isn't that cool? Anything that have an island vibe to me is amazing. You learn more about your country, and I love learning about my country. So this is so beautiful. Look at it. It adds this rusty kind of brown kind of pink kind of orange teal too as well. I love books that have teals. Got this neutral color. It's pretty. I love it. That's my book. And also I bought this book. First of all, I just love the color of this book. Solid color and has the blue for in the studio because I'm doing blue, white, yellow, orange-ish. Yeah, that's what my color for inside that space in the studio. I thought this was really, really beautiful. I saw this and I was like, oh my god, it's so old. It has this vintage, old school kind of rustic look to it. I thought, wow, I love this. And I love the solid color. Anybody that's doing DIY interior decorating or in decorating, solid color is a must. This is cool. We also have the yellow gold. This is I was telling you guys about gold and details are beautiful. This is beautiful. I love this book. Oh, and it's not really a dictionary, it's a dream dictionary. So this is where you analyze your dream. I dreamed about this YouTuber the other day. So let me see what that dream means. Good smell. Alright, so this is the introduction part to the book. Alright, I forgot through this. I'm going to tell you what my dream go later. But yeah, this is a cool book. Alright, I wanted to do a bit of an accent wall with art and stuff like that. I wanted flowers though, but once again, I guess because of what's happening, they didn't have much wrapping paper or anything. So wrapping paper, I'm going to use to make a bit of a frame mural. I'm going to do a frame mural with this.
The concept of it is quite pretty. It looks like the old painting called Starry Night.
Okay.
And the blue and the white all clashes together.
That's cool. It has like this darker blue. I like it. It reminds me of somewhat of tiles. I do like this paper. Okay. Oh, I bought a red paper because I want to wrap a book. Let me know what the book I want to. Oh, yes, I know the book I want to wrap. My art book. So I still have this book, and I need that new art book by the way because my sister has a baby and she destroyed everything. So my sister has a baby. Her name is Amy. So I have no white blank art book papers anymore. I thought this art book would be cool so I can draw in. Because I don't really have any more markers because the baby that should have marked on all these things. So but I can do a cool art book and also want to wrap it where it is red. So that way I can draw on the cover and the red can fit with the team inside the studio and put the art book in the studio. So about art books and this. Let's see what else we bought. That's it? No, not that's it. We also bought the receipt. We bought the receipt? No. We also bought thumbtacks. Because I'm going to put the thumbtacks in the poster board to make a vision board to tell me whenever I finish or complete a project. I can, about to do a project, I can thumbtack it onto the vision board, which is going to be the poster board I'm going to show you guys soon. We bought glue because I need the glue to use it to put on the cardboard or the poster board to do the vision board. So that's the glue stick is for as well. Alright, let me go to the do a thick one. This one is thick. This is the second one we picked, right? Not the first one. First one was kind of thin, but not. This one is not so thick.
They had a thicker one than that.
Like, it was really, really thick. This one a cool poster board that I'm gonna use to stick stuff on in the studio wall. And yeah, so like tell me what I want to complete whenever I'm doing art projects or a checklist. Yeah, whenever I'm doing art project or if I have any things that I want to do for my YouTube channel, I can put it on this. Yeah, and also give me a way to escape from in my room if people make lots of noise. So that's everything that we bought today, and I'll tell you what everything came up to. Alright, Kingston Bookshop alone came up to 1,000 something, and the books we spent up $2,000 at town today.
Wait, the books were 100.
I spent three something on and then 100.
That's $500.
Alright,
No,
so
I bought the Pinocchio one.
roughly $2,000. So we spent 1,500 or something, or 1,200 or something. That's basically $2,000. So that's all we spent. So yeah.
And the headsets.
Oh no, the headset, yes. So we spent more than that. Headset was 3,000.
So
we spent
$5,000.
$5,000. So we spent 5,000 at town today. So that was good. That was very good. Alright, so that's it. Stay tuned for the video where I renovate the studio space. We're not going to do it today. So thank you guys for watching, and as best as possible, please stay in, sanitize your hands, wash your hands, all of that, and we'll see you guys on the next vlog.
Subscribe to my Instagram.
Follow him on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.